In the last part of this video, I show you how to easily find out the grammatical and spelling mistakes, because if your document is neat and clean in structural format but it is full of grammatical or language errors, your document will look very ugly and non-professional. You can simply use the other commercial tools for checking the grammar or spelling mistakes like Grammarly, Quillboard, or you can use the built-in spell checker. So click on review, and under the editor tab it will list all the errors, all the language errors in this document. Let's say there are two spelling errors. This one, if you click, this red is showing the spelling error, and this one is showing the two possible corrections. Let's say click on this, and it is showing that this is error. Yes, this is detail. And under the grammar section there are different grammatical errors, like you see. So keep checking the grammatical errors and click on the possible suggestions. This way, in just couple of few minutes, you will remove all the grammatical and spelling mistakes from your document. If there is any word that is not a part of standard English, you might add that word into your dictionary, so the next time the spell checker should not mark it as incorrect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was a very large video, and I tried to explain things in a very easy way. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share with your friends who need this video. Thank you everyone.